Welcome back to our YouTube channel AI Basics. In today's video, we are going to learn how to sign up for Character AI. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your Character AI app. Then over here after opening, you can see here continue with Google, continue with your email. Tap on any of it. I would like to tap on continue with Google and make sure your internet connection is stable for a faster sign up. There you go, you have been signed in with your Character AI account. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. All your chats has also been restored.